Best deals.
1. Dish drainer. Can be efficiently placed near your kitchen sink area, over the countertop or in the kitchen cabinets as well. Sturdy and durable for everyday use. The mesh design dish drainer kitchen rack allows water to drain quickly in the removable bottom tray and dry dishes efficiently. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Fruit basket. Elegant metal net design with a sturdy lid keeps fruits and vegetables fresh while adding a modern touch to your kitchen or dining table. Fine mesh cover prevents flies, dust, and insects from touching your fruits and snacks, ensuring hygiene and freshness all day. Made from high-quality, powder-coated metal that resists rust. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spin mop. Easy wheels for easy movement of bucket across floors for your convenience and luxury. Super fast and convenient cleaning like never before. Separate facility for wet and dry wringing. 360 degrees elegant spin mop offers a super absorbent mop that can help you to access all the difficult areas of the house like under the refrigerator, bathroom and other corners. The telescopic handle can be adjusted from 45 to 180 degrees for more comfortable cleaning. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric air duster. Is built to last, featuring a durable body and rechargeable battery, a smart, reusable alternative to disposable air cans that saves money and reduces waste. Ultra light and portable, weighing just 200 grams, this compact air duster is easy to carry anywhere. Comes with a lanyard for hassle-free use at home, in the office, or outdoors. Includes 4 interchangeable nozzles, perfect for cleaning PCs, keyboards, electronics, as well as for home use and car interiors. Portable air duster fully recharges in just 3.5 hours via Type-C. Enjoy up to 240 minutes of use on low mode, with 4 flexible charging options to fit various cleaning needs. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Under bed storage containers. Is designed to be stackable. It helps to maximize vertical space and create a more organized storage system, especially in situations where you have limited horizontal space available. Compact and lightweight, providing enough storage space. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mosquito bat. Offers a versatile 2-in-1 design. Use it manually as a mosquito racket to zap flying insects like mosquitoes and flies, or activate the UV light for enhanced attraction and elimination, ensuring a mosquito-free environment. The foldable design adds convenience and portability. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Organizer. Simply attach the rack to the refrigerator, washing machine or any iron surface. Detach it from the fridge to use it in another range. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Container. Ideal for storing and serving milk, water, juices, rasam, buttermilk, snacks, gravies, and cooked food. Precision-shaped edge ensures smooth, controlled pouring without spills or drips, perfect for liquid servings. Designed for direct heating and cold storage. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Paper holders. Crafted from solid teak wood and finished with a water-resistant melamine coating. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Casseroles. Advanced ceramic coating inside, needs less oil, healthy and hygienic. At low or medium heat, food will not burn or stick. Comes with glass lid, which is easy to use. Easy to serve and store. Can be used to store and serve food effortlessly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Electric chopper. One-touch operation electric chopper for kitchen use for effortless chopping and dicing, helping you save time during meal prep and spend more quality time with your family. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love with our food processor. For kitchen, the detachable components of our dishwasher-safe vegetable chopper electric make cleaning the chopper electric for kitchen easy so that you can enjoy your mealtime more. This convenient and reliable chopper for kitchen electric reduces the stress of juggling multiple tools like knives and chopping boards, a life-changing vegetable cutter electric. The ultimate more than a vegetable chopper electric for kitchen use that makes a practical and much appreciated gift for busy moms looking to simplify their daily routines. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Knife holder. Organize utensils, knives, and kitchen tools neatly with a compact wall mount rack. Strong suction cups and adhesive grip hold firmly without drilling or wall damage, perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and modern homes. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scissors. Designed with precision cutting technology, it serves as both a reliable cutter for plants and a kitchen scissor for everyday tasks. Crafted for reliability, the Craft Seeds cutting scissor excels in kitchen and gardening tasks. With rust-resistant stainless steel blades, these kitchen scissors are essential for grass cutting, plant pruning, and household use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Coffee machine. Enjoy a clean and mess-free pour with the anti-drip feature, ensuring that no coffee spills during use. The auto shut-off feature adds safety by turning off the coffee maker once the brewing is done. The durable and heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe comes with easy-to-read level markings, allowing you to monitor the amount of coffee being brewed with precision. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Hand mixer. 6 speed settings helps to mix and blend easily as per recipe requirement. Turbo function provides extra burst of power for quick result. Powerful 300 watts motor for efficient and fast cooking. Pair of stainless steel beaters conveniently prepares whipped cream, beating eggs to make a meringue or making cake. Pair of dough hooks are best for kneading, mixing dough or whisking egg whites. Cream. Steel, which has longer service life than hand mixers made of other materials. Never worry about making a mess as all the accessories are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Variable speed controls make mixing and blending at a specific speed very easy for perfect results every time. With multiple beaters and dough hooks you can easily prepare a variety of recipes within minutes. Just push the eject button and quickly change the attachment. For safety concerns, the inbuilt overheating protection saves the appliance from any damage caused by overheating. It assists you in switching from kneading to blending mode and vice versa. Try a wide range of tantalizing drinks and dishes that will surprise your family, friends and guests. Start making your checklist of mouth-watering recipes today. Seamlessly whip cream and eggs for cake batter and dressing, blend squash and fruits to make cool drinks. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hot pot stand. Made of 100% natural and renewable teak, with good heat resistance, can withstand cold and hot temperatures from -40 to 275, protecting your countertop, kitchen and dining room table surfaces from heat. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dish rack. Rack allow water to drain quickly in the removable bottom tray and dry dishes efficiently. It helps in arranging just washed utensils. Product link is given in the 17th link.